milk and what else should we just?
It's up to Danielle. Danielle.
What? Just one ingredient. Hey Nathan, just one. Do you reckon milk and one?
Yeah, just one ingredient.
Yeah. How about just
Danielle. That's what I'm thinking. If you've just joined us, it is time for our little challenge this morning. Danielle and Nathan have joined us. New South Wales lost last night, which means I get to put a challenge forward, which was drinking some of this garbage. So, I'm going to put a bit of milk in to start with. You all right with this? Nath, you ready?
Yeah, I'm going to have to be.
Yeah.
Oh,
We could run. We could actually run.
Say when, thoughts?
When?
Okay, that's enough. Right. How much sauce do you like, Nath, usually?
Oh,
I don't-
tomato sauce.
Oh, yeah, that's looking lovely.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
I don't eat tomato sauce.
Mayonnaise? Together they really go well with
Chips,
prawns,
that's
actually.
true.
Oh, look at that. Hello, right, okay. Ugh.
Yeah.
Isn't that looking nice? So far you can't really see it yet.
Because it's all sunk to the bottom.
Mustard, my favourite. Bit of mild. Oh, this is going. Oh, listen to that just
Yuck,
slop in
that's
there.
disgusting.
Even I'm starting to gag on the smell.
I'm really worried about this stuff.
Should I
because
shake the
it's
dressing first, Danielle?
Yeah,
You got to get.
make sure they get all the flavours out of it.
so gross. Benny, I'm going to be sick. Literally.
Oh, did you hear that? Ugh, jeez Louise.
It's in a massive bucket, so it's not in a small little glut.
This is fantastic.
I
Just
reckon
adding some
that,
soy sauce
that's
for those
gonna-
at home.
Soy sauce and
Ooh,
milk will make
bit
you
on the panel.
sick.
Sorry there, Paul. You might have to take that out of my wages. Finally,
In my Dr. Bills.
there we go. A bit of balsamic. Oh, look at that. Just sounds. Ugh.
Spout.
Okay.
So disgusting.
Okay. Now, Danielle, would you like to do the pleasures of shaking this cocktail? Do it Tom Cruise style, actually.
I'll make sure the lid's on properly, yeah.
Can you make sure that lid's on cool? It's
Oh,
your
I don't-
container. Just hold the lid down, I guess. Yeah, right. Here we go.
Yeah, that should. I don't know if it is on, so just don't spill it on yourself. All right, right in the
Danielle's
mic.
about to shake. Right.
Oh!
Oh, that is milk, mayonnaise, mustard, balsamic, soy sauce, salad dressing, tomato sauce. It is looking delightful.
So gross. You can't make me do this.
Oh, this is fantastic. Yeah.
It's turned to like an ooey brown, chunky milk.
It looks like watered down seafood sauce.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, can I get out of this?
Okay. Danielle, are you ready? Up next, we're going to make Nath and Courtney drink that concoction. You have a smell, actually? Oh. You should have seen Danielle's face.
It's so gross.
No, not going to
Oh,
go
I
down
can
well.
smell it.
Oh, that is great. That's all coming up next. It's Courtney and Ben on Hot FM.